You take the midnight subway.
You can't do that!
You can't enter through that. You can't enter through there, Audi.
Yeah, see, I like the butt of that. It looks really nice. The light's pretty cool. Can't. Whoa, let's go, Scotty.
Really? Yeah, nice one. Yep, nice. Good job. Idiot.
Fuck me dead!
Can't turn right from there, Holden.
Oh shit!
We get drunk, so we smoke weed. We're just having fun.
Wait, where the fuck did you just come from? You can't run in the bike lane, mate. Yep. Another one. Not screw the run in the bike lane. Bicycle lane. You can run the bike lane. Yep, ride in the bike lane. Like a complete dicktard. And other guy's doing it too.
Video protected.
They're doing a wheelie. Mitsubishi. He's gonna go straight. No indicator on. Right turn only. Oh, do that? That's a first.
Video protected.
Oh my god!
Video protected.
Someone's impatient. Let's make attention. Why? Idiot! You're on the wrong side of the fucking road!
Video protected.
Fucking idiot! Oh, here they come. Here they come. Road rage, here we go. I'm not gonna look at them. I'm gonna look at them. He was so offended. Look at it. I got you on dash cam. I got you on dash cam. Don't fucking do shit. I'm not engaging with them. I'm not engaging with them. Yep, there you go, see?
Oh. Really, you fucking dumbass?
Current loop video is now locked.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Who? Get off the fucking road! Fuck off!
Great value NBN, because speed doesn't need to be expensive. Switch at
Red light!
amazing.com.au. Offer until 15 October.
Heard a red light?
$20 for 80 gigs every 28
That means
days.
stop.
Online only.
Really?
Denied.
Oh, the Nissan's gonna try it. Let's see if this Nissan actually does it. Yeah. Fucking dickhead, told ya. I told you I was gonna do it.
No more drugs for that man.
bit. Nice. Another one for today. Another cobra today. Jesus Christ. Hey. Nice. Wonderful. Another one for the day. Interesting colour for an MG. Turquoise. No, that's a better shot of the Challenger I saw before. I can hear it coming up. Whoa, nice. McLaren GT. Nice. Wowzers. Beautiful. Same as well.
Tomorrow now, ball leads Melton, they're focused towards the biggest game. Yeah, they will. Yeah, from a player's point of view. There you go, Scotty.
Nice. Oh. Nice.